Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move a rectangle in Photopea. Let's get started. Create a new layer, insert a rectangle, so move rectangle. That's it. Or distance, resize. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.